Hello traders, today is the 28th of April 2011, and happy trading to you all. In 5 minutes exactly, Frankfurt will be open. Okay, Frankfurt will open 1 hour before London. As a TSTW24 traders, we will wait for London to open first before we start creaming the market, so to speak. Okay, we are looking on the daily chart of the crazy currency pair, the USD currency pair. Okay, now all the drawing that we have on this chart, this is what we have done the last time, and we leave our drawing on this chart a bit messy right now, but not too bad. Okay, so we will start from the monthly chart to see exactly what's happening with the crazy currency pair, the USD yen currency pair. Okay, so this is what we see on the normal monthly chart of the crazy currency pair. We can see that this currency pair were under a serious bearish pressure, and now we are having a kind of base at this level here. Okay, we have a one down, one up, one down, one up. Okay, a one down again. Okay, one up, another down again here, and here we are now. This candle here where I place my cursor is the month of April 2011. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the weekly chart because there's not much to say about this one here, apart from the fact that as soon as the crazy currency pair went down this level here in the region of 8100, you can see that people bought it. Okay, the tail of this candle is telling other people the price was rejected in this zone here. Okay, so the key level last time I was speaking to you regarding the crazy currency pair, the psychological price level is 8100 and also 8300. Okay, but there is a key levels that we are approaching now, which is 8150. Okay, so we are paying attention to the two psychological. We have two psychological price level. Okay, one is 8100. Okay, a valid one right now. The previous one was 8300, but we are approaching a key price level which is at 8150. The price now above 8150. We will watch carefully that level of 8150. If the price remain above 8150, we can still perfectly look for opportunity to buy. But we know clearly that when the price manages to go above the 8300, then we are on a safe line, so to speak, regarding the bullish momentum. Okay, so the bullish momentum is perfectly okay above 8300. But right now we can use the 8150 as another support level. Okay, we will watch carefully the 8150, but the psychological level that we are paying attention to, okay, at the moment is 8100. Very important. Going back to the weekly chart regarding the crazy currency pair, the USD yen. Okay, right now we see that the price display last time a double bottom pattern around very fast. All our target has been hit before, as you can see all my drawing on this chart, but the price did find a resistance here, this resistance here where I'm moving my cursor, this previous hotspot trading zone. You see that the price tried to turn around here only to be rejected in this zone. Here again the price came into this same zone. Okay, this zone here, I'm going to have my things here so I can see this zone here. You see was the past hotspot trading zone. As the price tried to turn around, they sold it down. Okay, from this point onward, this was a valid resistance zone. Price turned down very fast. Okay, price now came back after our recommendation to buy. After this double bottom pattern, a valid double bottom pattern, the price ran and came near the same zone. Okay, this zone here, it came near the same zone right here, and was rejected again, and move it down to this level here. We will watch carefully the level of 8150. The price may dip below that level. Sometimes you may see that the price may dip below the 8150, which means coming near the 8140. Watch out carefully there. But we know that this is a kind of a hotspot trading zone between the 8100 up to the 150 zone. We will watch carefully there. If you receive a clear cut signal to buy, especially on the third best time frame of the TSTW24, we will move to the first best time frame for best entry point. Okay, so this is what we are talking about right now. Okay, on the weekly chart. Okay, right now. Okay, now if we start drawing lines on this chart, we don't want to do too much mess because we have our line. Last time I draw the yellow arrows here, but the price did not find a support that time, and continuing the movement to the downside. That's what we are talking about. Do not assume anything. Okay, keep your eyes wide open and follow the price, the number one indicator. If you come into the market with your homework, try to impose your homework on the market. That's not the right way to do it. Keep your eyes wide open. If the music has changed, the dance must change. Right here, the music did change. The price turned around and continue movement to the downside. As we are speaking right now, talking about the key levels, okay, it does not mean that we are only looking for opportunity to buy. If we receive a clear cut signal to sell, we will sell. Okay, so do not just play one side of the market. If the price changes direction, acknowledge that and follow the price, the number one indicator, using the TSTW24, the TSTWSY08 or TSTWSY008 trading system. Now, there was a question last time: how do you know that the price is going to turn around or is going to create a higher low? You will see it when the price itself is turning around. Okay, so suppose you were here this time, okay, and you go on the first best time frame, okay, and you see that you receive you see that the price, the first best time frame, indicating to you that the music has changed, that the price is going to the upside. You will play it to the upside. You just follow, okay. You just follow the indication very clearly, okay, and you will be safe. Somebody using the TSTWSY08 trading system will receive here at that point in time a valid signal to tell him that the music has changed after this red day. That's how you know that the price is changing direction. You do not guess the price or try to predict the price or say that it must turn around here. You do not know until you receive a valid signal, okay, to buy. Then you will buy. Okay, that's how you know. Here again, you will notice that the TSTWSY08 trading system has given on this particular red day a valid sell signal when this red day was going down. Okay, you will see on your chart. If you haven't checked it, that's why you do not just try to guess the price, but you just keep your eyes open, seeing your signal at the hot spot trading zone. Our attention is on the hot spot trading zone. Very important. That's where you are likely to make a decent, serious amount of profit if you control the risk. Every trade have some element of risk, and stop loss must be used, okay, and attention must be put on also on the news. Talking today, okay, this is very important because traders will go and just look on the technical, and because that's the easiest way, and they do their technical and they disregard everything else, and that's not the best way to do it. Okay, like today, after checking the technical, you check the news. Very important. Okay, so we do it properly, so you know exactly when the news are about to come, so you do not just go and look at the price and do your own thing like I was doing before myself when I was a new trader. Try to do it properly. Okay, so yesterday you see all the red envelopes here, so you must be aware of the news. Today again we have on the 28th of April 2011, we have again here some of the red envelopes here, which is high impact news. If you don't know where to check the news, you go to www.stochastic-magnet.com and you click on economy calendar and you select the forex factory, and you, of course, will get you to this place. Okay, at 8:30 today we have the advanced GDP. You click on these envelopes here, it will tell you the details of this advanced GDP. Okay, and also we have as usual on Thursdays we have around 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, which is 1:30 p.m. London time, unemployment claim. You click on the envelopes here, you see the forecast is at 392k. The previous figures was 403k. Okay, so you try to understand what's going on here, okay? And when you are trading, you try to go into the market, because the professional will trade today, okay, with the attention carefully on those news that are about to come. So that's how you do it, okay? So you do not just place many trades, especially those who are trading forex. They get into this kind of thing. They trade, they will. Some people do not understand how the forex market function. They will place order to sell the euro GBP, order to sell the Australian dollar USD, and then they will place order to buy the euro. But these currencies are positively correlated, and the euro is the leader in the forex market. So do not go around placing order anyhow. You may perfectly concentrate on the euro USD, and then when you receive a valid signal regarding the euro USD, and then you will see, you will also acknowledge a signal that are in the same line, okay, currency that are positively correlated to the euro USD. You play them exactly in the same direction with the euro USD. If they give a signal that are contrary to the euro USD, you may step aside, because you want to trade them together with the euro USD as the leader of the forex market. Okay, very important. That's how you do it, because people go around and do only the technical, but there are more to the technical. Okay, so you must always check the news and know which news is about to come. And also the next day you pay attention to the next day again. Next day we have again red envelope here. Okay, so you pay attention, because you do not just look at one day, you check the following day and also the whole week, and know what is about to come. So you know the sentiments, okay, the sentiment that is reigning in the market right now. Okay, so that's how you will do your technical analysis together with all the verification that need to be done. Okay, so now you see it, now you check the news, okay, and then you know exactly that it's not only about technical, but you will also pay attention to the news, because the news will definitely affect the market one way or another, by all means. Okay, so you have your valid trading signal, okay, you do your technical analysis, you respect the opening bell, okay, you use your stop loss, you control the risk, you manage your risk carefully, okay, you use your 5% money management rule, very important. Okay, no one will do it for you. You have to slowly, okay, slowly by surely, start doing it, okay, the right way. Okay, so you know you are not trading on an island somewhere doing your own thing. Okay, so you pay attention to other traders and know that there are traders that are trading the news, traders that are, especially like yesterday, as you can see, every Wednesday we have all these speculators coming in the market because of the oil inventory, and they will push the euro to the upside and all the rest of it. Okay, so we are now approaching the 8150. Okay, so as you can see, the price was going down. If you look on the daily chart for this crazy currency pair, as you can see, there is a lot of bearish pressure because of the news that is about to be released. A lot of people are very bearish towards this crazy currency pair. Another thing I need to say here is that we have to understand also the policy regarding the dollar. The Fed, the intention of the Fed is to devalue the dollar. No question about that. The Fed is quite happy to devalue the dollar. So even though we are bullish towards the dollar yen currency pair, we have to understand that the policy of the Fed is to devalue the dollar. Anytime we see that the price going up, you can see last time the price did run very fast and only to be pushed down very fast. Okay, yesterday also was another day when the USD yen did progress very fast, okay, only to be pushed down very fast. Okay, so the Fed is perfectly in charge of all the activity here. Like I said in the previous video, as soon as the Fed increase the interest rate, they will know that now the door is open for the dollar to go to the upside. But at the moment, we will going to see this kind of up and down. Okay, so if the Fed put a ceiling on the dollar, then they will perfectly be happy to see the dollar coming back down to control the movement of this currency pair, because due to the deficit of the United States, okay, the devaluation of the dollar will definitely help assist the U.S. economy, okay, so that the goods that are coming from the United States can perfectly be cheaper compared to other products very well. Okay, so regarding the euro USD, we know that the intention of the ECB is to have a higher euro. So anytime we are selling the euro, we are careful. Okay, Right now I'm going to look at again, we will show you again the Euro USD. As I show you, this is the Euro USD, the monthly chart. This morning I did a video regarding we hit this level. We did came very close to the level of 14901. Okay, 14901. That's where the spot is right now. Okay, the yellow line and the channel, you see the channel, the edge, 14901. That was a key level. Okay, but there is another resistance here. We will watch carefully what's going on here. Okay, if I show you the intraday chart regarding the euro, the 60-minute chart, this was happened today. Okay, the price came down a bit. Okay, from this level of it went all the way to 14881. Okay, and now it's at 14844. We are watching this hot spot trading zone. This is the euro USD currency pair. Okay, going back to the crazy currency pair. Okay, the USD yen. Okay, this is the daily chart. That's what we see. The price is approaching this level of 8150. Another key level we must pay attention to, but the psychological price level is at 8100, where I place my white horizontal line. This is the 8100. This is the psychological level right now that we are approaching, but there is a key level here at 8150. We will watch that level. But as I said to you before, the news that are about to be released today will definitely affect the sentiment regarding the USD yen. So be serious and watch what's going on, and use the TSTW24, whichever trading system that you are using, like professional trader. Okay, so going into the weekly chart, where I did I have all my drawing before. I'll go back to my weekly chart. This is my weekly chart here, and we can see that the price from this point, what I will do now, the price from this point onward went all the way down here. This is a kind of exaggeration here. Okay, but quickly people bought it back up here. Okay, there is a support below the 8100. Okay, so now we will what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to draw again some line on this chart. A bit messy right now, but I'll leave it like this. We will come back to this from time to time so we can see what's going on here. So right now the price going down, okay, instead of going up right now. Okay, so where am I now? I'm going to draw a line, so I use my extending now. So we see the price went from here all the way down here, when again up to this level. Now we are here. Okay, there is if we draw the middle line for this yellow, this red one here, the red one here that I drew last time, this red line, and this green one here, the middle line is somewhere here. Okay, that's the middle line. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to draw some line here to see whether you make any sense to anybody. And now I'm not going to draw my line from here because this is a kind of exaggeration, so I will discount this movement to the downside here. I will start from here. Okay, and I'm going to draw it through the middle line of the channel, drawing that line a bit something like this. Where am I? I want the two lines to be parallel. Okay, that's what I want to do. Okay, because of this middle line here. Okay, the channel, the red horizontal line and this green horizontal line, the middle line is somewhere here. I'm joining this point to the middle line of that channel. Okay, to make the line parallel to this one here. That's what I'm trying to do here. Okay, if you follow me. So we have a channel, the red line here, and the green one form a channel. The middle line is this level here, where I'm moving my cursor. I'm joining this point onward, okay, to this middle line to make it parallel to this movement here, the price from here to this level here. That's what we got. So we know that this is a horse, the intersection of this blue line. Okay, if you like, I can draw another line there, horizontal line. What I'll do, I'll color that white this time. Okay, now the intersection of the blue line and the white horizontal line is a very hot spot trading zone. We went below it a bit, but we consider this as a zone. Okay, as I'm speaking to you, the 8150 is right below somewhere here. Okay, the price now at 8168. Okay, we are monitoring carefully this crazy currency pair. Now, in normal condition, people should be buying the dollar, as I said to you, but the news is also affecting the dollar very much. So we are just going up and down. As you can see, last time it ran very, very fast, only to come back down. So this is very good for day trading. If the price is going up and down, that is quite good for day trading. And also we have to understand also the policy regarding the dollar. The Fed want to keep the dollar low for a moment, okay? So be aware of that, very important, okay? So when it's going up nicely, you make some money, take it your profit, okay, before they push it back down, okay? And then just follow the price, the number one indicator, okay? Now looking on the intraday chart of this crazy currency pair, okay, my level, there's a line that I draw here on this chart, 8158 is near that zone again, as you can see, okay? So we will watch carefully what's happening here. If we go for instance onto the 10-minute chart, we see what's happening there. Now we see a kind of double bottom being formed here, but it's not yet completed. The price on this 10-minute chart, let me draw my line, is in a kind of channel here, okay? Kind of channel here, so we will watch it, okay? So right now it's not perfectly bullish now, but the price stopping at this zone. As you know, the crazy currency pair can do whatever he like to do, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video also, that you will put it into practice in order to cream the market consistently. We are the TSTWSYS 008 traders. Thank you for watching, and speak to you very soon.